on, ST, let's take it home. What the hell?
What the?
No, hold it. Okay, right. Go, go, go. Welcome guys, welcome to another video of Hoodstick. It's gonna be the Fiesta ST Nikhil. I'll do another video when we get to the shower garage, but I need to get some petrol in this bad boy, so stay tuned guys. Let's hit it. Oh, this car sounds too sick. Every time I drive this car, it's just a dream. Dodge a pothole. Part of the Bagman team right now. Alright, V-power it is.
Quick row.
Quick what? You gonna drive in it? Go on. I don't know what power it's running. I don't know myself. So we don't know, innit? We don't know. Huh? Nah, that's what I was supposed to do, but all the doors were shut in it.
What the?
Whoa! The bag, you know that it's part of the bag, you know, like you gotta bolt some pipes and stuff, and you know, tip a car, you know, hold it. Okay, right. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec.
Are you sure they're meant to be tight? I'm sure that's meant to be connected to something, isn't it?
Ah, let they all go out. This is a gap machine. It gaps everything. This does, I'm telling you. Get ready to get gapped. Fiesta 230 brake, and you got Nikhil in his 320 brake horsepower. So bismillah. £30 worth of V power gets me just over half a tank. Oh, I need this. Just had the jab yesterday and I'm dying, so I need some energy. Bismillah. Almighty has blessed each and every one of you to have a nice, beautiful time in this weather and have a nice drive. Enjoy what we built and what we worked for, and that's what it's all about. Go on, mate. Go on, mate. Hat and spice. Boy, this car drives nice. Admiral said. I know he's gonna dust me in that car. Alright, so we made it to the first destination, which is Star City, to meet up featuring Khalid, and then we're gonna be going to the next location. Alright, we made it. Yes, boys. Yes, bro. Yeah, what's going on? Right. So, you happening, man? You're right. You good? You blessed? Yeah, I'm blessed, man. Huh? Say again.
Has it passed its MOT?
Nice mic, man.
Yours, it's just got a little filter on top.
Yeah, but it's a nice day today. Am I part of the VAG now? Because I've got a VAG car. Yeah. Jeez. Nice tailgate.
It's just we've made the effort. These two, they've just turned off.
Mine doesn't need to be washed, it's matte. It's a matte white. I gotta admit, I don't know which one's clean out of you two. I think your black to black tyre wiping's good though. Whoever did that.
I'm sponsored by Maguire's, yeah.
Maguire's is sponsored by Maguire's, isn't it?
What are you sponsored by? Me?
It's nice, man. So that's spray then, Nikhil? Yours?
No, we used the gel one. I thought you had the spray. The spray one lasts for weeks.
The thing is, look at all this.
That is so nice. Oh,
Feel the steam
jeez.
from it.
Is that from that?
Yeah.
You don't get as many use of gel.
It's a shame. Okay, we're gonna roll out now then, I guess. You ready, Vin Diesel? You ready? Whoa, it's got a dump valve. This is lovely weather. This is like Barbados. Yeah. I want to see what it's like against the Golf R or the Golf GTI. They're pushing over 300 brake horsepower. So if this keeps up, let's take it home! What the hell? Okay, alright. Oh jeez, that's crazy, man. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! S3 red power! Whoa! It's leaving me! Yeah, that go far will leave me. Yeah, yeah. Have you tuned it? Is that stuck or is it tuned? Huh? Stage 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa, man, that's a lot faster, that is. That's a lot faster. That's fast! You gotta give it to the S3, bro. If it was stuck, maybe. It's running well, it's performing well. We haven't had it dynoed. We don't know what boost bar pressure this car's pushing at. And we don't know like how it's performing the way it is, if it's tuned correctly, but it's performing crazy. There's Dan. That's probably the closest I've ever been to the plants. They're huge. Humongous! Driving, son.
40, yeah, you were gone.
I don't know what you lot were doing.
Oh,
He was about to race, and I saw the camera, I was like, no
Yeah,
way.
no,
I'm
I
not
did
racing
flash.
here.
And I was like, oh no!
This is really nice.
It is really nice, man.
What?
This
Weather?
place?
Yeah. The minute I'd seen it, I thought we were in the beach. Khalid's car's fast, man.
Oh no?
He's cheated. He's not stuck anymore.
Is it?
You guys never told me that, man.
Neither are you
I
guys.
seen the picture and I was like, nah, he's not.
You're pulling away slightly. Only slightly. I mean, for an R, it should be a lot more, but more powerful.
Drivetrain power loss.
Definitely.
Drivetrain power loss.
This is bag talk all over, this is. Dan, get your tent and everything, let's go fishing. There's loads. It's a Ford thing we wouldn't understand.
It was meant to be.
It's meant to be Ford. Yo, we did the stance, bro. It's you who did it.
You're the one driving the stance out there. Stretch tyres and everything.
Done. Nick Hill. We made it across the lake.
Go, go, go.
That petrol! Oh, hold on, wait.
Go on. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go, go.
If you guys enjoyed that, drop a comment, you know, tell me guys what you think in the next video to make if you enjoyed that video. And peace and blessings upon each and every one of you. Hope you guys are having a nice time with your family, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.